like I have to go nowhere. If someone ever asks me, I can never say where I'll be.
Good morning, everyone. Asha here from Pandamonium. We ended up leaving Leveland and we came to Littlefield where we were staying at the, what is it, Jennings? Whining. Get it right, girl. It's Waylon Jennings RV Park. It's free camping up to 4 days, and there are several sites here, about 15 sites. There's also horseshoes, there's full hookups, and also a dump station. What else? It's surrounded by baseball fields. It's by the community center, so there's a lot going on, and it's in walking distance of several stores. Right next door is a Ace Hardware. There's a convenience store about a mile down the road, and other restaurants. Welcome to Littlefield, Waylon Jennings RV Park. Campgrounds provided by the city of Littlefield. Stay for free up to the maximum of 4 24-hour days. Pretty cool. It's $20 after that if you decide to stay. There is a suggestion box, and it is for any comments to make our park more comfortable. The sites don't look like they'd be big enough for fifth wheels, but they really are. They do have 2 pull-through sites here for larger rigs. That fifth wheel there is in a regular spot. They just have their truck disconnected. This is the Fannie Mae Horseshoe Court. Fannie Mae Jennings Whitfield. Of such she was, there be a few on earth. Of such she is, there be a few in heaven. The first official horseshoe was pitched July 4th, 1991 by Waylon Jennings. They have 2 horseshoe fields. Here's one of them, and there's the other one. There was actually a tournament going on here last night. Definitely a lot of spots, more than there were at Leveland. Free camping with full hookups. Morning! Well, afternoon.
Yeah.
Hey, Scotty.
Good morning, sweetheart.
I peeked my little head out here early this morning.
What time?
3 o'clock.
You were still
And
up?
I didn't see your light on, but I hear you might have been up.
Yeah, I was up till like 4 a.m. and
I was
editing
too.
and stuff, so.
That's what I was doing. And I finally put myself to sleep about 4:30, and then my alarm came on and went, it's 8 o'clock.
I got up at 9:30.
And I thought it was your voice, and Terry said it wasn't, but
Yeah.
I thought it was your voice.
Scotty thought the alarm
Oh,
was
the
you.
alarm?
Yeah. I thought it was a lady, and I'm like, how did you get on to say it's time to wake up?
Okay, we're just
Hey,
getting
Moo-moo.
ready to rock and roll. Good
Yeah.
morning, Moo-moo.
Okay.
Good morning, Moo-moo. Good morning.
We are planning on leaving and heading north to Hereford, and there's free camping with full hookups there as well. I don't have much to pack up, just a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and get that done so we can get on the road.
And people say that someday I will lose my mind. They're always wondering why is a waste of time. I am trying to figure why in my heart I still feel fire. Anything that has been done to fix it, or why it takes so long, 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 so long. Feel the light, now it shines so bright. Let it shine.
Wow, where the heck are we, Dimmitt? Oh yeah, welcome to Dimmitt, Texas. I've actually been here before. I believe it was a couple years ago when I was headed back to San Antonio. Maybe it was last year, not sure. Anyways, it is a very small town. We are 22 miles away from Hereford, and that's north. So yeah, if you want to see the video of when I was here last, I will put the link in, or actually the card in the corner. So check that out if you want. I remember this place. It's always weird going through places you've been through before. Oops. Alright, like I said, we have 22 miles, so we are going to carry on. Onward Bound. We made it here, so time to go take a look around.
Remember how we talked about putting a little bit of juice on Moo-moo's food?
Uh-huh.
So this is real chicken. I bought a rotisserie chicken, and that was in the bottom. So just put it in the fridge and then let that little
Cool
fat
down,
yeah,
right.
and let the fat harden, and then you can get the good stuff.
Awesome.
And then this is a Moo-moo bag,
Okay.
and I went through. There's absolutely no bone in it, and this is an Aja bag for your salad.
Of the rotisserie chicken?
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, there you go. There.
Moo-moo says thank you too.
Yeah, because that will be good for.
She says thank you.
Hi, Moo-moo. That'll be yummy, huh? Yeah, you smell that in my hand, huh? Oh, just for you.
Bright and sunny today. This is such a beautiful spot. We are taking a quick walk around the pond. There's two parts to it. Here's one side right here. There's a bridge and a little inlet in the middle, and it leads to the other side. Oh, look at the swans. Or white ducks or whatever. It's beautiful. Look at that. That is a big, huge turtle. It's dead, though. Such a shame. Yeah, poor thing.
Needs to know.
Aw.
Yeah. Aw.
Are there swans? Because look at the...
Swans and ducks.
Yeah, because it's got that big thing in the head.
Yep.
Yeah. There were thousands of ducks. I think it was in this pond right here.
It might be during a certain season or something.
Yeah, it was thousands. I've never seen
They were migrating probably.
I've never seen that many ducks in one area before. It was thousands. If I can find the picture again, I will.
Yeah, I think that's a swan because it has that big ball on the front right there. It is a swan. So pretty.
Unless it comes off the road. I don't know. Maybe that's what that whole channel is, just a channel off the road.
Right. Yeah, the water seems pretty low compared to the last time I was here. That is where we're parked, way over there. They do have a pool, and also a water slide here. The pool is open, but I don't think the water slide is. They also have picnic pavilions and oh, cool windmill over there. Seems to be pretty popular for picnics. So yeah, there is some trash that is spread around, but like Terry said, it's very windy here, so.
Yeah, your garbage sometimes just takes off and you can't even catch it.
Right.
It's blowing so fast.
The wind's blowing now.
That's what happened. It's not that anyone in Texas is,
Intentionally doing it.
Yeah, it's the
So.
wind, I believe.
Yeah, because there's a plastic bag over there. Wow, that wind is really picking up. So what's wrong with its feathers?
Okay, so see that little guy right there? This one right here, see his feathers? That's called angel wing. And what happens is that is because people feed them.
Oh.
It's like they don't have the nutrition. They fill up on breads and things that the public
Right.
feeds them, and that's why they say that you should not feed the ducks that are out in the wild breads, because they fill up on the breads, there's no nutrition in it, and then they don't go and eat their own foods. And they get angel wing.
There's a closer shot of the windmill. That's how strong the wind is. It's going good. Look at that long-legged bird. That's pretty cool. Not sure what kind of bird it is. My goodness, it's hot today. 93 degrees. I'm going to enjoy myself in the AC and do a little bit of editing. Maybe when it cools down later on, I'll take another lap around the pond with Moo-moo. So I just want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. Until next time, stay safe and onward bound. I love everyone out there. Mwah. Bye for now.